Hello and welcome to Classroom Projects with Ms. Rice. For today I will be explaining the Principles of Human Services Career Cluster Research Project. This project we will focus specifically on the research part today. In another video, if necessary, we will go over what is expected for the actual project. So you'll notice I'm going to be moving around on the screen, so let's get going. First thing, you will go to www.12online.org/find/career. Once you're there, you should see Browse by Career Cluster. You are going to select Human Services. You may not select any other area for this project. Next, you will see that there is a long list of jobs and groupings. Over here we have different clusters of careers or career paths that someone can choose. Counseling, mental health, early childhood, family and community services, to name a few. Going back to question 2, you read about this career, list the career you selected. So let's say I choose Family and Community Services. You'll write down Family and Community Services, and that will be where in the category you will choose your next 3 jobs from. Next, you'll list 3 sample job titles. Now at this point, you may want to write them down and then make a chart separate in your journal or on the back of this paper. You'll be doing a lot of writing underneath each job title. Luckily, finding all the information is very easy. So sticking with Family and Community Services, that means I can only select these jobs that are right here. So I'm going to highlight them just so you see. All of these jobs are part of Family and Community Services, and I can pick any 3 of these I want. So let's say I choose Community Health Workers. As you can see, there's a lot of good information. There are tasks that are not all displayed. There's a lot of technology skills, so you can add and increase to see them all, or you can lessen them to just see 5 or 6. You are going to, for each individual job, go through and write down the different tools and technologies for this career. You'll write down some tasks, basic information of knowledge that you need, skills, etc. Education requirement is towards the middle of the list, and if it doesn't say what level is required, go with the middle level, the one that's first listed, maybe bachelor's degree or master's if you feel and think that's correct. You can also look this up online yourself to double check. At the very bottom is where you can normally find wages and employment trends based on 2016, and you write that down. Once you're done with it for a single job, you've written down 2 tools and technology for the career, 3 tasks, 3 sentences, 5 skills, what education is required, and what wages and employment trends are happening. You go back and select another one. Maybe you want to choose clergy. Once you do that, you select it again. If it just so happens that some of these have the same job, feel free to make a notation so that way you know that, for example, both jobs require emailing or using Instant Messenger or Microsoft Office Suite. That is perfectly acceptable. You will go and list, again, 3 tasks, 2 tools, 3 sentences for knowledge, 5 skills, what education, and what are the careers and wages and employment trends. And then you will choose a 3rd job, doing the same thing again. You can choose any job that's under the Human Services pathways, but if you feel you need to do outside research, you can. I have chosen this website with the idea that all the information you need is directly on this website. Once you're done and you've filled out all the questions, you're done with your research. Next time we do a video, we will go over what items you need in order to go and complete the project.